Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Rosli. I'm from Group 3. Today I want to present about our group project, which is game-based upper limb rehabilitation. Okay, so as we know that stroke is recognized as one of the significant contributor to mortality worldwide, ranking third after heart disease and cancer. So there's a research indicate that up to 30% of stroke patients grapple with lasting disability, and 30% of them require intensive rehabilitation program. So by doing hand therapy exercise after stroke, it may help stroke skill and get their hands to work again. The objective for this project is, firstly, we want to develop an upper limb rehabilitation device for home setting and apply game-based approach to the device development. Second, to provide healthcare professionals with rehabilitation outcome collected from the patient. And lastly, to evaluate the prototype and upper limb rehabilitation device and game application. Next, for the scope of work, first, the rehabilitation device should be able to generate a resistive force to oppose the hand movement of the patient. Second, patient movement should be synchronized with the motion inside the game. And lastly, the rehabilitation device should be able to gather quantitative parameter from the patient.
Okay, so for step analysis, factors, social, description, the demand for these rehabilitation solutions may rise as the population ages and the risk of stroke rises. In technological factors, the project success may depend on access to cutting-edge technology for developing the rehabilitation device and the gaming application. For economic, the cost for the project must be reasonable to ensure accessibility for a broad range of stroke survivors. For environmental factors, the project should consider the environmental impact of the manufacturing and disposal of the rehabilitation devices and the gaming peripherals. And lastly, for political factors, it must compliance with medical device regulations, and approvals from health authorities is crucial to ensure the safety and effectiveness of the rehabilitation device.
Next, I'm going to continue our group presentation with the proposed solution. So this project proposed a device that consists of a metal base and a holder that used for the guidance of a front to back two-dimensional hand movement. The holder is connected to a DC servo motor through a timing belt. The more force acts to the handle, more resistive force will be generated by the DC motor. Additionally, the applied force also used for the motion control inside the game. When the handle is pushed to the front, player will moving up, whereas when the handle is pulled to the back, player will moving down. So here is the circuit part of our proposed design. So it consists of the ESP32, a load cell, an amplifier, a motor driver, and also a DC motor. In normal operation, the load cell will detect the force applied by the user, and this reading will be sent to the ESP32 after it is amplified. So ESP32 will use this signal to control the rotate direction and speed of the DC motor through the motor driver. Next, here is the diagram that illustrates the hardware design of our project device, and here is the platform that we use to.
Hi, so I'm going to continue the presentation for the NABC analysis and cost analysis, which is NABC stands for needs, approach, benefits, and competitions. So as for the need for our project is stroke incidence and long-term disabilities highlight the need for accessibility rehabilitation despite barriers like limited access, high cost, and patient compliance issues. So as for the approach, the proposed upper limb rehabilitation device incorporate a game-based interface generating resistive force and promoting muscles engagement, allowing healthcare professionals to monitor and tailor rehabilitation outcomes effectively. So as for the benefits for our project is the project aims to enhance the stroke survivors' upper limb functionality, reduce long-term disabilities, and reduce healthcare costs by offering a home-based, accessible, and interactive rehabilitation process. Lastly is the competition. Our project stands out in stroke rehabilitation by incorporating gaming elements, providing quantifiable feedback, and introducing resistive force technology for a comprehensive upper limb workout. So as for the cost analysis, these are all the items that we need for our project. So the total cost will be 1,101 ringgit 25 cents. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Hadi Pinci and I will be demonstrating the project today. So this is the demonstration of our project. So it basically combines a game with a stick that provides resistance by the motor. So if we push the stick stronger, the motor will make a stronger resistance. So you can see that down here there's a load cell reading. So the load cell, if you notice that the load cell reading goes higher when we push the motor harder. So as we push the motor above, the bird will fly up, and then when we pull the stick backwards, the bird will fly down, and then the motor will try to pull the stick forward. So it's basically a continuous feedback loop of when we push the stick, the motor will push backwards, and then when we pull the stick, the motor will pull forward. And that's about it for our demonstration. Thank you.